In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an eye-catching email campaign using Canva and Mailchimp. Whether you're a seasoned email marketing pro or just starting out, integrating design tools like Canva with email platforms such as Mailchimp can elevate your campaigns significantly. Let's dive right in and get started. First, we'll begin by designing your email content in Canva. When designing for emails, it's important to select dimensions that are email friendly. Typically, you'll want to aim for a width of around 600 pixels as this fits most email formats well without distorting your design. Once you're in Canva, pick the dimensions that suit this standard so your design shows up right in inboxes. Feel free to use Canva's ready-made templates if you're looking for inspiration, or start from a blank canvas to fully unleash your creativity. As you layer in your graphic elements, keep in mind the visual hierarchy of your design. Aim for clarity and balance, ensuring that your key message stands out. Once you're satisfied with your design, it's time to download your creation. Choose either a PNG or JPEG format, as these are compatible with most email platforms. Both have their benefits. PNG files maintain high quality, while JPEGs are usually smaller and load faster. Consider your recipient's possible internet speed and device when making a decision. After selecting the format, click Download and you're all set with a beautifully crafted image ready for your campaign. Next, head over to your Mailchimp account and log in to create a new email campaign. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the Campaign section and choose to create a new campaign. This interface will guide you through the process step by step. Carefully give your campaign a name that's easily identifiable, especially if you manage multiple campaigns. With your campaign ready to be constructed, you'll want to insert your Canva design. Locate the image block option in the Mailchimp editor. Once found, simply drag and drop it into your campaign layout. Now upload the Canva design you downloaded earlier. This step transforms your crafted image into a central visual element of your email. It's time to add any additional text or links using Mailchimp's editor, a tool that's straightforward and flexible. Whether it's a catchy headline, a thoughtful message, or a call to action, make sure your text complements your design rather than competing with it. Also, use links to guide your recipients to further actions, whether it's visiting your website or downloading a resource, enhancing engagement with your audience. Before wrapping up, always take a moment